Let that shit rip, machine. Those Cubans, rollies, and new V's. Gray sweatsuits, blue newbies. Night flip-flops on the yacht, feeling the cool breeze. I play in the island on the balcony with a few P's. Back home, they clap chrome right at your fat dome. We rock designer, but none of this shit is black owned. We can speak political, leaving niggas in critical. From the tape era, but still flying the digital. I know dirty money ain't clean money. Saying a prayer, all black and leaving the scene bloody. Live the nightmare, nobody could take a dream from me. Slinging that dope, my nigga getting that fiend money. Change needed, so the change made. I changed, but you wanna bang, I changed the same day. And use the same gun, or the same blade. A little bit older, still in shape, and shoot the same shade. You shouldn't be with it unless you John Wick. Rap killer shit, I'm the champ of the Eastern Conference. You can rhyme a little, but I ain't digging your content. And see I'm dead serious, never taking no